All right. So as Min Jung just explained, the Nu Skin 180 system has been an asset in our portfolio. Originally, it launched in 1999 globally, and then again, it was restaged in 2005. And so we had been planning an update for quite some time, and Canada, the time has come for you. The Nu Skin 180 system in 2021 features a brand new combination of gentle acids, delivers the same great results, only faster. Next slide, please. So while we wanted to make improvements to the system, we also know when to let a good thing, actually a great thing, stay, right? And that's what we did with the 180 face wash. We didn't make any changes to it because it is beloved and it still is. So it still is going to contain that 10% of vitamin C, and it's a truly unique experience that our loyal users consider to be one of the most extraordinary anti-aging cleansers on the market. This level of vitamin C is a potent tool against visible age spots and discoloration, and the Nu Skin 180 face wash evens overall skin tone. It also helps improve skin firmness, and it's a rich, creamy formula that leaves the skin clean, fresh, and incredibly soft. Next slide. So then we move on to the Nu Skin 180 Skin Mist, and it has always been positioned not only as a toner, but as a preparatory step between the vitamin C in the face wash and the hydroxy acids in the cell renewal fluid. This product helps to calm and soothe the skin, but we've added some cactus ferment for this and extracts from watermelon and apple fruit to help provide hydration. And this hydration helps maintain the structure of the skin's moisture barrier, which can help offset sensitization. Plus, the adenosine was added to the formula for some additional antioxidant protection to help brighten the skin. Next slide. All right, the 180 cell renewal fluid. This is where the bulk of the changes took place. This one, we actually lowered the amount of polyhydroxy acid or the gluconolactone in it, but that's because we added a brand new mild blend of alpha hydroxy acids that include glycolic, lactic, and citric acid. So let's take a minute now and focus a little bit more on hydroxy acids in general and get a sense as to what they are. On the next slide, we have alpha hydroxy acids and polyhydroxy acids. So in the late 1990s, hydroxy acids had entered the skincare scene, and it's only increased in their importance. This class of ingredients chemically exfoliates the outer layer of the skin, helping to slough off dead skin cells, revealing a more youthful appearance. There are several types of hydroxy acids, each with different characteristics. The two most commonly are alpha hydroxy acids and polyhydroxy acids. Alpha hydroxy acids are smaller and work quickly. The size makes them readily absorbed, but this can cause some uncomfortable sensations for some individuals. Whereas polyhydroxy acids are actually larger, and because they're larger than alpha hydroxy acids, they absorb more slowly, and so they have less chance to be sensitizing. So they're great for individuals who have a little bit more sensitive skin or have can't handle too much at one time. But over time, they've been able to make alpha hydroxy acids less sensitizing. And so that's what we've added here is this mild blend. And so we get the benefits and the quick action of the alpha hydroxy acids, but then also the mildness of your polyhydroxy acids. Next slide, please. So the benefit of what these new alpha hydroxy acids do is it helps to increase the epidermal barrier, or it doesn't absorb as quickly because they help to maintain a more normal skin pH level. So they diffuse more slowly into the skin. And so that's how you get the best of both worlds now. We've got both the fast acting benefits of your alpha hydroxy acids, but your low sensitization of the polyhydroxy acids, which is really going to have the potential to expand the consumer base of individuals who can use this product. Next slide, please. Sorry, I'm a little bit. So then we also have the Nu Skin 180 hydrator. So some changes happened to this too, to really help it make sure that it helps to protect the skin from the effects of daily environmental stressors. Has colorless carotenoids that are large antioxidants. And because they're large antioxidants, they can take more hits from the environment. Jojoba leaf extract as a humectant, so it helps to bolster your moisture barrier, and bisabolol as a skin conditioning agent. And then this product also has that adenosine added to it also. Next slide, please. At night, our skin is trying to recuperate from the day's stress and prepare for the next day. The night complex has been bolstered also with cactus ferment, and it helps to calm and soothe the skin. As an additional antioxidant, we have the adenosine, plus it has the antioxidant blend of grapeseed fruit extract, ginkgo biloba leaf extract, vitamin C and E. And these can all help to soothe the skin and comfort it and help the skin, again, recover from the day. And then it has macadamia nut oil, phospholipids, and meadow foam seed oil, which are all really rich emollients or moisturizers that help maintain and protect the skin's vital moisture barrier. Next slide, please. So we conducted a study on the core 180 system. So just these five basic products. And what we found is 90% or more subjects at the end of 12 weeks reported an overall improvement in skin firmness, skin lifting, skin smoothness, clarity, skin tone evenness, brightness, hydration, softness, visibly reducing skin discoloration, and reducing the appearance of smile or frown lines. And 100% of the subjects saw an increase in luminosity and glow. Now, if we think about that, 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10, those are really, really great odds that someone is going to see something and get benefits out of this system. Next slide, please. So this is actually the real ta-da, right? We now have available for the first time in your region the Nu Skin 180 Ampule. It's formulated with niacinamide. Niacinamide helps support the skin's moisture barrier and helps reduce transepidermal water loss, or water from escaping the skin. It also has a hydration burst, which is a mix of known skin hydrating ingredients to help keep the skin looking and feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated. And then it has this special Centilla Asiatica water. And Centilla Asiatica water, leaf water, helps to improve the appearance by restoring skin softness and suppleness. So this product really helps to provide much needed nighttime hydration, helping you to awake to a more brilliant and brighter looking skin. Next slide, please. So remember how I told you how well the 180 system did on its own? Well, when you actually add the Ampule, you get 2 times better improvement in skin brilliance, 1.8 times more improvement in skin hydration, and 3 times greater skin improvement in skin brightening. So the way this study was conducted is individuals used the 180 system for 2 weeks. And after they had used it for 2 weeks, they added the Ampule to their night regimen for 2 weeks. And these are the greater benefits they had over using the system alone. And again, this is truly, truly remarkable. Next slide, please. Again, we still have available for those individuals who want it and love it. We still have the AHA facial peel and neutralizer. This hasn't been changed, so it still has the 10% lactic acid, and then the avena sativa or the oat kernel extracts. So again, this is something that can be used 3 times a week to really help bolster that exfoliation and make it so that you get that greater skin brightness. So how do we put it all together? Next slide, please. So the first step is always going to be to clean your face with the Nu Skin 180 face wash. Then you're going to use the skin mist as your toner, and then you're going to use your cell renewal fluid. Now, if you choose, you can always swap in your AHA facial peel and neutralizer in the place of your cell renewal fluid. And then you follow that, if it's daytime, with your Nu Skin 180 hydrator. Now, if it's nighttime, Then after your cell renewal fluid, you can add in your ampoule, and then you would move on to your night complex. So a lot of different options within the system now to really curtail it to your own skin needs or the benefits that you want. And even if you have a little bit more sensitization now with the 180 system, it opens it up and you have the ability to try new combinations to help offset that. So we are really excited. Next slide. We're just really excited to give you this opportunity. Again, gentle acids, same great results, but even faster. Thank you.